my lovely madam. I'm a little tipsy now. Light up a Marlboro and call the boys around. Yeah, I'm that kind of guy, full of myself, you see. I love the high life, and money's all for me. Wanna fly to Paris or hit the southern shore, or we can take a ride back to my front door. I'm a gentleman, sure, but don't you forget I can be rude. I'm a brat, a safe bet. Bold, a bit of mafia, a pinch of crime. Everyone wants you, but you're tired this time. You dig my vibe and the way I start, and that is why you told me from the heart. Take me away, light up a Marlboro. Light up a Marlboro. From the scent of your perfume, my heart just melts away. We were missing the sun, that's for sure anyway. The nights are too short, and the days are too few. I just can't get enough of being with you. Carefully, I got drunk. Your criminal eyes, they're a lawless funk. Ayy, with a girl, one of a kind for sure. A hooligan's ballad and a revolver's roar. Vibe, I don't even dream of it. You can't fool me, so just quit. I'm a gentleman, sure, but don't you forget I can be rude. I'm a brat, a safe bet.